Hi everybody, right, dead serious video time today. Right, I'm going to show you something that I bet you thought was impossible. Now, let's say you got a basic set of 8x40 binoculars, but yeah, say for example you haven't got the finances to buy the optically stunning night working 60x60 night vision binoculars with 60 magnification. Maybe you haven't got the budget to buy them, but you want to turn these into night vision for free. It is possible. You thought it wasn't possible, but it is. And it's just things that you may have laying around the house that actually can convert these to night vision that will cost you absolutely nothing. And so all you'll need is a cheap set of binoculars, bear with me, some masking tape and one of these contraptions that runs off a battery. Now all you do is carefully place it and so it's not touching the focuser. You watching? And there we have a night vision binocular. Well, you can do it with binoculars, and so now you can see from, well, it depends on the quality of this device on top, how far you can see in the dark. But I know what you're thinking, but night vision, they have a nice green tint to them, don't they? This won't have. So all you need is, with the same masking tape, find a way of getting a green filter and putting it on the binocular eyepiece. Then you'll see in the dark with green vision. And a really cool feature about this is though, because you need to be stealthy, and so if somebody is trying to climb over your back fence and burgle your prize vegetables, then you want to see him but he can't see you. And so when you, there we go, when you put the light on to see him in the dark, there's absolutely no way he can notice that anybody's looking at him. So really impressive device. So there you are, that's how to convert a standard set of cheap binoculars into night vision so stealthy that nobody will ever know you're using them. So as always, I hope this very serious video helped, and I shall see you next time. In the dark.